In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to design a logo. Without wasting any time, let's start the video. At first, select Ellipse tool and drag a shape. Now increase the stroke value. Now select the line segment tool and drag the line. Adjust the line into the center properly. Now select both shape and expand it. Now remove unwanted area with the help of Shape Builder tool. Now write the text and convert into the vector shape. For converting text into vector shape, go to Object option and select Expand. Now I rotate both characters one by one. Now I adjust the shape with help of Tract Selection tool. Now I am removing the offset path with help of Shape Builder tool. Here I am using Delete Anchor tool for removing unwanted anchor point. I drag the circle and adjust it properly. For building new shape, I am using Shape Builder tool. Now time to go to Photoshop mockup file. And here is result. If you think this video is helpful for you, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for watching latest video.